how are you all? Hope you all are very good and must be going very well in your studies. So today students, we are going to learn and explore the chapter 4 of class first, which is about animals around us. So students, animals are everywhere around us. Okay, from land to water to air, on the trees, everywhere there are different variety of plants. Why we call them different? Because they are in different in their shape, sizes, body, okay, and their behavior also varies from animal to animal. So let's learn the chapter today and discuss about the different features of animals and the different variety of animals which lives around us. Okay? See. So first of all, students, animals are living beings. They move from one place to another. Some animals move on land while others in water. Okay, so what they're saying कि animals are also living beings. Animals भी क्या है? Living beings है, just like plants and human beings. Okay, animals जो है, they can move. को एक place से दूसरे place पे easily move कर सकते हैं. Some animals move on land, कुछ land पे move करते हैं and कुछ water में move कर सकते हैं. Right? So now we have the topic that is types of plant. So as I told you that there are what? Many types of animals. ठीक है? Different types of animals are there. कुछ animals big हैं, some are small. Okay? Now they have given you some examples also of different types of animals like elephant, giraffe, lion, tiger, bears, etc. ये सभी क्या है? They are some big animals. Means what? Their body size is very large. Then at the same time, अब वही कुछ small animals are also there. Like we have rabbits, goat, cat, rat, frog, and many more. Okay? Most of the birds, insects and worms are small animals. काफी सारे birds हैं, insects हैं, worms हैं. ये काफी small animals हैं. They are very tiny in size. Blue whale. Blue whale is the largest living animal on the earth. सबसे बड़ा living animal जो earth पे है, that is blue whale, which survives in the water. Okay, you can see this is lion, deer, elephant. Examples of some big animals. This is goat, rat, rabbit, frog. Examples of some small animals. Now, next we have wild animals. So what are wild animals? See, the animals which live in forests are called wild animals. अब वो सभी animals जो forest and कि जंगल में survive करते हैं, जंगलों में रहते हैं, they are very dangerous also. Okay, such animals are called wild animals. Although these animals live in forests, but you can also see them in a zoo. So वैसे तो ये animals कहाँ रहते हैं? Forest में रहते हैं. But if you want to see them, then you can visit a zoo and can observe them over there. Elephant, tiger, deer, rhinoceros, zebra, etc. All these are wild animals. Okay. Now, next we have the another type of animal which are domestic animals. So we tame some animals for work or for food. So students, अब कुछ ऐसे भी type of animals है जिनको हम पालते हैं, tame करते हैं, either for food or for work, right? And such animals are called domestic animals. Example, hen, goat, cow, horse, etc. All these are domestic animals. Now one more fun fact which they have given you, that is tiger is our national animal. Very important. The national animal of our country, Bharat, is known as tiger. Now, next we have what? Pet animals. Okay? Let's discuss about pet animals also. So we keep some animals in our homes because we like and love them and they are called pet animals. So students, अब कुछ ऐसे animals हैं जिनको हम अपने घर में अपने साथ रखते हैं because हम उन्हें पसंद करते हैं, we love them, okay, we like their company, right? So ऐसे animals को pet animals कहा जाता है. I hope you all must have a kind of pet at your home. So example, cat, dog, parrot, etc. These are some pet animals. Then next we have birds. Now there are many types of birds. अब क्या हमारे nature में there are many types of birds also. Birds क्या हैं? Birds are tiny creatures or we can say They are teeny flying creatures. ऐसे creatures जो fly कर सकते हैं and they belong to the animal category only. They are known as birds. Example, peacock, sparrow, parrot, crow. These are some common examples of birds. See, most birds have wings and can fly in the air. Birds do not have teeth. They eat with the help of their beak. They have two small feet which help them to walk around and perch. What they're saying is that ज़्यादातर जितने भी birds हैं students, इनके पास क्या होते हैं? Wings होते हैं. Okay? And इन्हीं wings के through ये air में fly कर सकती हैं. Okay? Birds do not have teeth. Birds के पास teeth नहीं होते हैं. Instead of teeth, they have beak. And they use their beaks only. Birds अपनी beaks का ही use करती हैं to eat their food. Okay? इसके अलावा birds के पास two small feet होते हैं जिनके through ये walk कर सकती हैं. They can even perch also. Now what is perch? See, perching birds sit on the branches of trees with the help of their claws. They even sleep in this position. So perching bird students वो birds होती हैं जो कि ट्रीज की ब्रांचेस पे अपने क्लॉज यानी कि अपने जो पंजे हैं उनकी हेल्प के थ्रू बहुत लंबे टाइम पीरियड तक बैठी रहती हैं. इनफैक्ट वो इसी पोजीशन में ट्रीज की ब्रांच पे बैठी बैठी सो भी जाती. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज नोन एज पर्चिंग. ओके, नाउ सम बर्ड्स आर बिग एंड हेवी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब कुछ ऐसी बर्ड्स हैं जो काफी बड़ी हैं, काफी हैवी हैं, उनका बॉडी वेट बहुत ज्यादा होता है. दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू फ्लाई. इतना ज्यादा हैवी वेट है कि वो फ्लाई नहीं कर पाती, अपने बॉडी वेट को लिफ्ट नहीं कर पाती है. ओके, एग्जाम्पल ईमू, ऑस्ट्रिच, पेंगुइन. एंड ऐसे बर्ड्स को वी कॉल फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड्स. दीज बर्ड्स वॉक, रन और हॉक बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट फ्लाई. तो ये जो फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड्स है केवल वॉक कर सकती हैं, रन कर सकती हैं और दे कैन हॉक. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, दिस इज ईमू, this is ostrich and this is penguin. These are flightless birds. An ostrich can run very fast. अब एक ostrich ऐसी bird है जो बहुत fastly run कर सकती है. Other than that, we have some birds like duck and swan. ये कुछ ऐसी birds हैं which can swim also. ये swim भी कर सकती हैं. A penguin can also swim well. आने बात करें penguin की, so penguin can also swim very well in the water. Very important fun fact that ostrich is the largest living bird. सबसे largest living bird जो है that is ostrich. Okay, then they have given you a question, then can you name our national bird? तो क्या हम अपने national bird का name बता सकते हैं? So yes, we have national bird known as peacock. Okay, so right over here that is peacock. Next we have insects. Okay. So an insect is a small animal with 6 legs. अब insect भी एक छोटा सा animal है जिसके 6 legs होते हैं. And many insects, ज़्यादातर जो insects है उनके पास wings होते हैं to fly. Example, cockroach, butterfly, honeybee, ant, mosquito. These are some examples of insects. You can see in the pictures also, this is cockroach. ये बटरफ्लाई, हनी बी, आंट, मॉस्किटो. एंड यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स हम इन इंसेक्ट्स को अपने सराउंडिंग्स में, अपने घर में आसपास बहुत कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, चल देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव एनिमल्स एंड देयर बेबीज. अब बात करते हैं एनिमल्स एंड उनकी बेबीज के बारे में. सो सभी एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स के पास अपने बेबीज होते हैं. लेट अस नो अबाउट देम. So first of all, a baby hen. एक baby hen को what we call? We call it a chicken or a chick. This is parent hen and इसका ये baby है which is known as chicken. Then a baby goat. This is goat and this is baby goat. And baby goat को हम क्या बोलते हैं? We call it kid. Then a baby cat. Baby cat को we call kitten. You can see this is the kitten. No. Then a baby dog. एक baby dog को what we call? We call it a puppy. Okay? This is a baby dog known as puppy, right? Then a baby cow is called the calf. एक baby cow जो है, cow का baby जो का है, we call it calf. A baby sheep, sheep के baby को what we call it lamb. You can see this is sheep and its baby is known as lamb. Then next we have baby of lion. Lion के baby को students what we call it cub. Then a baby horse. Horse ke baby ko what we call it foal. This is horse and his baby is known as foal. Then a baby frog is called a tadpole. This is frog and his baby which is known as tadpole. Then next a baby kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo ki baby ko what we call a joy. This is kangaroo and its baby is known as joy. Then a baby deer. This is deer and its baby is known as what? Fawn. A baby deer will be known as fawn. So you have to learn all the names of these babies of different animals. A doctor who treats and cures sick animal is called a veterinarian, usually called a vet. So student, एक ऐसा डॉक्टर जो ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स को ट्रीट करते हैं, द एनिमल्स हु आर सिक, उनको ट्रीट किया जाता है, क्योर किया जाता है, उन डॉक्टर को व्हाट वी कॉल देम वेटरेनियन और सिंपली वी कैन कॉल अ वेट आल्सो. ओके, so the chapter is completed over here. I hope you have understood the different types of animals which are surrounding us and also the different types of animals along with their babies name. Okay, so now there are variety of animals surrounding you. Just observe them and classify them on the basis of features which we have discussed in this chapter. Okay, so let's meet together in the next session with a new and exciting topic. Till then, take care and keep going well. Thanks to everyone.